Hello friends, welcome to my channel Local Guy. There are many devices which do not have Wi-Fi hardware in it or Wi-Fi hardware not working, and only way to access the internet is via Ethernet or LAN port. Devices like laptop or desktop or server with Wi-Fi hardware not functional or Wi-Fi hardware not working. In this case, how to access the available Wi-Fi internet via Ethernet port. Situation 2. You have wireless dongle and you are sharing the internet via Wi-Fi hotspot, but your device like desktop, television, game console or any other devices which do not have Wi-Fi hardware and only way to access internet is Ethernet port. In this type of situations, how to connect to internet with available Wi-Fi network via Ethernet or LAN port. So in this video, I will show you how to access internet from wireless. It means Wi-Fi via wired LAN cable to Ethernet port. Before going further, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Here is my D-Link DIR 505 router. I will use this as a Wi-Fi repeater. It has LAN port from which I will access the Wi-Fi internet from my primary Wi-Fi network to desktop or laptop Ethernet port. You can use any other Wi-Fi router which has Ethernet port to access internet from Wi-Fi network to LAN Ethernet port. Here, internet will flow through wireless to wired LAN cable. First of all, we have to configure the router as a repeater. For that, we need to access the router. So first, power on the router, and as given on the router itself, choose the Wi-Fi network name. Here it is T-Link 172E and password given is NLKSE57042. After successfully connected to Wi-Fi network, open the network and sharing center and click Wi-Fi and click on status. Note down the default gateway address. Here it is 192.168.0.1, which is our router IP. Now open the browser and type the default gateway IP address to access the router settings. Now we will connect this router to our primary Wi-Fi router. Click scan to list the available Wi-Fi network SSID name and choose your primary Wi-Fi network name and click connect. Here my primary Wi-Fi network's SSID is Falcon 1. Enter the password of your primary Wi-Fi network. Here it is TIME0000. You can also change the repeater Wi-Fi network name and password. Here I have changed Wi-Fi SSID to Falcon 3 and password is same TIME0000. Now click save and reboot the router. Now connect the one end of the LAN cable to router and other end to your laptop or desktop or any other device which has LAN Ethernet port. Here I have connected LAN cable to my laptop. Now open network and sharing center again and click Ethernet and click on properties. On properties, click on IPv4 and choose the obtain IP and DNS address automatically, then click OK. That's it. Now you can able to access the internet from Wi-Fi to wired LAN cable. If you like this video, then share with your friends.